Vice President Konstantin Chiwenga has flown back to Italy, continuing a series of international travels that have sparked renewed debate over the government's lack of transparency regarding high-level foreign trips and their associated cost. Sana kuna mashukuru nyuko panapa wangoshamisika aiwa nekufamba kuita VP Konstantin Chiwenga vachienda aiwa kune controversial countries aiwa vakabva kuIran. Right now tikona kuti aiwa is flown to Italy. Sana pena mashoko vamwe macritics apya pana pachiti aiwa these travels ane mapost akawandisa because subscribe or like on the bell kuti tapana vanhu vamchinzi. State media reported that Chiwenga was in Rome last week to attend the funeral of Pope Francis before traveling to Iran. He is now returned to Italy for what are described as high-level meetings with the leadership of Roman Catholic Church. Zimbabwe's ambassador to the Vatican, Chiwenga, confirmed to the Vice President the presence in Rome in the courts. Vice President Chiwenga's attendance at the Pope Francis' funeral clearly signified there is a strong relationship between Zimbabwe and the Vatican, said Ambassador Nzenza. The Catholic Church has had a long-standing presence in Zimbabwe, even during the liberation struggle. I have had the privilege of meeting Pope Francis twice, in December and in January, and held talks with the Vatican Secretary of State. According to Nzenza, the Vatican is keen to engage Zimbabwe on key social issues. Our discussions focused on the Vatican's commitment to youth development and empowerment of women through education. The Catholic Church has long contributed to education and healthcare in Zimbabwe, and those conversations will continue, she said. We intend to further explore issues of social justice, inequality, education for girls, youth development, health and climate change. However, Chiwenga's frequent international travels, often under the guise of diplomas, have long drawn scrutiny, especially given the opacity surrounding their purpose and cost. Since undergoing major treatment in China in 2019, after a prolonged and mysterious illness, Chiwenga has made regular visits to Asia for what officials describe as routine medical checkups. His recurring foreign trips, many of which are not clearly explained to the public, have invited comparisons to former President Robert Mugabe, who was widely criticized for spending vast amounts of state resources on overseas medical care while neglecting the country's healthcare system. Mashoko ari kuda panapa pamusoro pematravels ari kuitwa naVP Konstantin Chiwenga. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechituko chipinda comment section, tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell